Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a custom email signature in Gmail with clickable links. Having a professional signature with working links to your website or social media makes it easy for recipients to connect with you and adds a polished touch to every email you send. First, open your web browser and navigate to Gmail. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, look toward the top right corner of your screen where you'll see the gear icon. This is your gateway to all of Gmail's settings and customization options. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. From that menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to the full settings page where you can access deeper configuration options that aren't visible in the quick settings panel. Once you're in, you'll automatically land on the General tab, which is exactly where we need to be. Now scroll down through the General tab until you locate the Signature section. This is where all the magic happens. Click on Create New and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your signature. Choose something simple like Work Signature or Professional, so you can easily identify it later if you create multiple versions. After naming your signature, you'll see the signature editor appear. This is your canvas for building your signature. Start typing in your details like your name, job title, company name, phone number, and any other contact information you want to include. Format it however you like, using the toolbar options for bold, italic, or different font sizes. Here's where it gets really useful. Highlight any text you want to turn into a clickable link, such as your website URL or the name of your LinkedIn profile. Once it's highlighted, click the Insert Link icon in the editor toolbar. It looks like a chain link symbol. A pop window will appear asking you to enter the URL, type or paste the full web address, making sure it starts with https:// then click OK. The text will now appear as a clickable link that recipients can use to visit your site directly. If you want to add some visual appeal, you can also insert images or logos by clicking the Insert Image icon and either uploading a file from your computer or pasting an image URL. This is great for adding your company logo or a headshot. Once you're happy with how everything looks, scroll down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes. This ensures your signature is stored and ready to use. Finally, compose a new test email to yourself to verify that all your clickable links work correctly and that the formatting looks exactly how you want it. Thanks for watching.